Welcome to the Prepper Almanac. Thank you for joining us today. It is deeply appreciated. In today's video we are going to discuss 12 skills preppers should teach their whole family. And if I give you value in today's video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. And feel free to share the video with others. It helps me out. Becoming a parent changes you. I wasn't a particularly hard-working or responsible person in my 20s, but when I became a father, everything changed. I had to rise to the occasion, and I'm a better person for it. As a parent, I want to pass on the life lessons I've learned to my children in hopes that they'll take them to heart and be better than I was. Of course, I can't make them be better, all I can do is give them the best chance possible. And as a prepper, there's a whole host of things I want to teach my family in addition to all the standard stuff that your family should learn. If you're a prepper parent, then ask yourself this: what kinds of skills and values should I teach my family? Let's go through the 12 skills together now. Let me know what you think of these 12 in the comment section below, and if you have other thoughts, drop a note below to share with the community. Thanks. 1. How to be resilient. Life isn't fair and everybody fails at times. Learn to bounce back and keep trying. Life throws punches. It's inevitable. Challenges, setbacks, and failures are all part of the journey. The good news? You can cultivate resilience, the ability to bounce back and keep going. Shift your mindset. Accept reality, life isn't fair. Accepting this truth, as harsh as it may sound, sets you free from unrealistic expectations and frustration. Reframe challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth, not roadblocks. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This fosters a proactive attitude. Develop optimism. While staying realistic, cultivate a belief in your ability to overcome obstacles. 2. Situational awareness. Pay attention to the world around you. Beware of potential danger, know your exits. Situational awareness isn't just about avoiding danger, it's about empowering yourself in any situation. Here's how to level up your awareness and navigate the world with confidence. Become an active observer. Engage your senses, pay attention to sights, sounds, smells, and even gut feelings. Don't be absorbed in your phone or daydreams, stay present in your environment. Scan your surroundings, take in the layout, potential hazards, and people present. Trust your instincts. 3. Self-defense. Many people will disagree, but your family should learn how to fight, but not to start fights. There are aspects of self-defense training that can benefit families beyond just physical fighting skills. Here's a more nuanced approach. Empowerment. Learning basic self-defense techniques can boost confidence and a sense of personal agency, especially for vulnerable family members. Deterrence. The knowledge and confidence gained through training can act as a deterrent to potential attackers. De-escalation. Training often emphasizes conflict resolution and de-escalation techniques, valuable skills for navigating tense situations. 4. Speak up, but know when to listen. This one is tricky and will take many conversations throughout the childhood of your children and something adults are always working on. Speak up with confidence, encourage openness, create a safe space where everyone feels comfortable expressing their thoughts, feelings, and opinions. Validate perspectives. Let each other know that your voices and viewpoints matter, even if they differ. Practice assertive communication. Role-play scenarios where individuals need to communicate their needs or concerns respectfully, whether directly or indirectly. Model self-advocacy. Show by example how to advocate for yourself in various situations, from expressing discomfort to negotiating needs. 5. Self-reliance. Your family should know that preparedness should not be done from a position of fear but from a position of strength. Preppers know this. Frame preparation as empowerment. View planning and gathering resources not as fearing the unknown, but as taking control and building resilience. Focus on the positive outcomes. Highlight the peace of mind and sense of security that preparedness brings, allowing you to enjoy life knowing you can handle challenges. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate each step you take towards preparedness, reinforcing the feeling of accomplishment and progress. Turn knowledge into confidence. View learning skills like first aid or emergency planning as building valuable knowledge and confidence for any situation. 6. First aid. Knowing some basic first aid skills makes your odds of surviving a disaster so much higher. Beyond survival, it's about empowerment. While surviving a disaster is certainly a crucial benefit, knowing basic first aid offers much more than just increased odds. It's about empowerment, taking control in unexpected situations, and fostering a sense of security and confidence for your family. Let's explore why. Immediate action. Accidents and emergencies happen anytime, anywhere. Basic first aid knowledge allows you to act quickly and effectively, potentially preventing further harm or even saving lives before professional help arrives. Peace of mind. The knowledge that you can handle minor injuries or medical emergencies until help arrives reduces stress and anxiety, especially during challenging times. Confidence and resilience. Mastering first aid skills boosts your confidence and self-reliance, empowering you to handle unexpected situations calmly and effectively. Building stronger bonds. Learning and practicing first aid together fosters teamwork, communication, and a sense of shared responsibility within your family, strengthening your bond. Expanding your toolkit. Start with the basics. Learn CPR, basic wound care, choking hazards, and common medical emergencies. Adapt to your needs. Consider specific vulnerabilities or needs within your family, like allergies, chronic conditions, or outdoor activities. Practice makes perfect. Regularly practice learned skills through simulations and role-playing, keeping your knowledge fresh and accessible. Remember, your role is crucial. First aid responders are amazing, but their arrival takes time. Your immediate actions can make a significant difference. 7. Wilderness survival, building shelter, starting a fire, purifying water, navigation, and so forth. Wilderness survival, beyond basic skills, cultivating resilience, and resourcefulness. While knowing how to build a shelter, start a fire, and find water are certainly crucial in emergency wilderness situations, wilderness survival skills offer more than just basic techniques. They cultivate deeper qualities like resilience, resourcefulness, and problem-solving abilities, valuable not just in the wild but in life's unexpected turns. Beyond basic techniques. Building confidence. Mastering these skills fosters a sense of self-reliance and empowers you to trust your ability to handle challenging situations. Boosting problem solving. Finding creative solutions with limited resources hones your ingenuity and adaptability, applicable beyond the wilderness. Understanding your environment. Learning to observe, adapt, and work with nature fosters a deeper connection to the world around you. Strengthening mental toughness. Overcoming obstacles in the wilderness teaches perseverance and grit, valuable life skills for dealing with any difficulty. 8. Responsibility. Fostering growth, not punishment. While holding your family accountable is crucial, framing it strictly as not letting them get away with anything can create a negative and punitive dynamic. Instead, let's focus on cultivating responsibility as a positive journey of growth and empowerment. Shifting the perspective. From punishment to learning, view accountability as an opportunity to teach valuable life lessons, helping your family understand the consequences of their actions and learn from them. Focus on ownership, encourage reflection and self-responsibility. Open communication. Foster open and honest conversations about expectations, responsibilities, and consequences. Natural and logical consequences. Use consequences that naturally follow from their actions, helping them grasp the cause and effect relationship. 9. Civics. Make sure your family understands our system of government, why it's important, and why citizens need to be involved if they want to remain free. Preppers know why freedom is important. In a world where threats to freedom seem ever present, it's crucial to equip your family with the knowledge and understanding of our system of government. Why civics matters for preppers. Freedom and preparedness. Preppers often understand the value of freedom deeply. Teaching civics helps them connect preparedness efforts to the very foundation of that freedom, a responsive and accountable government. Informed decision-making. Knowledge of how the system works empowers families to make informed choices about issues that impact their lives, their preparedness, and their community. This ensures our freedoms remain protected. 10. Shooting and hunting. Firearm safety is crucial, and learning to hunt could be life-saving. Shooting and hunting for preppers, beyond basic skills for survival. While firearm safety and hunting skills can undoubtedly be valuable for preppers, it's crucial to approach these topics with nuance and responsibility. Let's explore the potential benefits and considerations. Always prioritize safety. Master and abide by safe handling and storage practices before even considering target shooting or hunting. Seek qualified instruction. Don't rely on self-taught methods. Invest in professional training from certified instructors to ensure you understand proper handling, operation, and responsible use of firearms. Practice regularly. Consistent practice reinforces safe habits and builds confidence, essential for responsible firearm ownership and preparedness. 11. Compassion. Empathy is a skill that can be taught. Set an example and explain why helping others is important. In the realm of preparedness, where survival often takes center stage, compassion might seem like a soft skill, a luxury saved for calmer times. Yet, fostering compassion within your family isn't just about being nice, it's about building a stronger, more resilient unit prepared to face any challenge. Teach the art of listening, guide your family to truly listen to others, understand their feelings, and see things from their perspectives. This fosters empathy, the foundation of compassion. Encourage emotional literacy, help them identify and express their own emotions healthily. Understanding their own feelings equips them to understand and connect with others. From comforting a friend to helping a stranger, your actions become powerful teaching moments. 12. Avoid debt. Debt is slavery, and avoiding it at all costs is the best way to live. Understanding the pros and cons of debt. Pros: debt can be a tool to access resources you wouldn't have otherwise, like financing a home, education, or starting a business. It can also provide flexibility and manage cash flow in certain situations. Cons: debt comes with interest, which can significantly increase the overall cost of what you're borrowing. It can also create financial stress and limit your future choices if not managed responsibly. Focus on responsible debt. If you consider using debt, choose options with low interest rates, clear terms, and a repayment plan that fits your budget comfortably. Avoid high-interest debt like credit card balances or payday loans. Prioritize building an emergency fund. Before taking on debt, prioritize building a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses. This reduces the need for emergency debt and provides peace of mind. Seek financial education. Educate yourself about different debt options, interest rates, and repayment strategies. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. This is the initial discussion of the 12 skills preppers should teach their whole family. Let us know your thoughts and if you have additional skills that preppers should pass on to their family. As we wrap up today's video, if you have any questions or if there are any topics that you would like discussed in the future, let us know in the comment section below. We love to get video ideas from the community. And let us know what you think of today's video as well. We always appreciate input. Be sure to like today's video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about prepping, and share the video with others that may have a passion for prepping or are curious about prepping in general. In addition, to support the channel, feel free to click the thanks button below. And lastly, we have put some links to some prepper supplies that you might want to check out in the description below. Thanks for watching the Prepper Almanac.